In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change power plan on Windows 11. This quick adjustment can help you squeeze more battery life out of a laptop, keep your device quieter, or unlock extra performance when you need it. I'll walk you through each click and explain what the options mean so you can pick the one that fits your day. First, open Settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. You can also open the Start menu and choose the Settings gear. Either way, the Settings app will appear. Next, select System from the left-hand sidebar. System is where Windows groups core options like display, sound, notifications, and, importantly for us today, power. Inside System, choose Power and Battery. On a laptop, this page also shows your current battery percentage and some usage info. On a desktop, you'll just see power-related controls. Don't worry about the other items here for now. We're heading straight to the setting that matters for overall performance and efficiency. Find the Power Mode section and click it. Power Mode controls how aggressively Windows balances speed against energy savings. Changing this setting affects how your processor ramps up, how quickly your device sleeps components, and how much power it draws under load. Now pick the mode that suits your needs. Best Power Efficiency prioritizes longer battery life and lower power draw. It's great for note-taking, web browsing, and streaming, and it can keep fans quieter. Balanced is the sensible default for most people, offering good performance while still being mindful of energy use. Choose this for everyday work like emails, documents, and light multitasking. Best Performance focuses on speed and responsiveness. It's helpful for gaming, video editing, compiling code, or any task where you want every bit of power, but expect higher power use, more heat, and possibly louder fans on a laptop. Once you've made your selection, you're done. Close the Settings app to apply changes. There's nothing else to confirm, and you don't need to restart. The new mode takes effect right away in the background. A couple of quick tips as you go. You can switch modes anytime, so feel free to use Best Power Efficiency on the go and swap to Best Performance when you plug in. If you don't see every option listed, that can depend on your device or organization's policies, and it's normal. After changing modes, give it a little time and notice battery life, fan noise, and responsiveness so you can fine-tune what works best for you. That's all it takes to change the power plan on Windows 11.